Welcome to the AI for Cybersecurity certification, a 3-week hands-on program from School of AI. My name is Vivian Arana, and I will be your instructor throughout this certification. This program is designed for learners who want to understand how artificial intelligence is transforming the cybersecurity world from threat detection and security analytics to AI powered defense systems. At School of AI, our mission is to make practical AI education accessible to more people. That is why this certification is free for members. We believe that the future belongs to people who can apply AI to real world problems, not just understand the theory. This certification is not based on a test or exam. Instead, you will complete practical projects, document your work, and submit your GitHub repository to the School of AI team for review. Over the next 3 weeks, we will explore how AI is being used across the cybersecurity landscape. In week 1, we begin with the role of AI in modern cybersecurity. You will learn about common cyber threats such as phishing, malware, insider threats, and AI powered attacks. You will also understand how security systems use data such as logs, network activity, and user behavior to detect risks. In week 2, we move into threat detection and models. You will learn the difference between classification and anomaly detection, explore how AI can identify suspicious network and user behavior, and understand how phishing and malware detection systems work. In week 3, we focus on AI security and defense systems. You will learn how to secure AI systems themselves, build AI powered security workflows, and understand how AI can support faster incident response. Each week includes a practical lab. So you are not just learning concepts, you are building real security thinking. So, why should you join this certification? Cybersecurity is no longer just about firewalls, passwords, and manual monitoring. Today's security teams are dealing with massive amounts of data, faster attacks, and increasingly sophisticated threats. AI is becoming a critical tool for detecting patterns, identifying anomalies, automating response, and supporting security teams in real time. At the same time, attackers are also using AI. That means cybersecurity professionals, technology leaders, developers, analysts, and business professionals need to understand how AI fits into modern defense. This certification gives you a practical, project based way to build that understanding. You will create a threat analysis framework, design a detection prototype, and build an AI powered security architecture. There are no tests and no exams. Your certification is based on completing projects and submitting your GitHub repository to the School of AI team. By the end, you will have practical cybersecurity AI knowledge and portfolio ready work you can show.